Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Belle again. So today, we're going to talk about consumer confidence dropping again. The fact that consumer confidence fell again isn't a surprise. It's fallen almost every month since Trump wound up back in office. But there are some surprises in the reporting. The decline in confidence occurred across all age groups and almost all income groups. When it comes to political affiliations, the largest decline was among Republicans. It seems like even the MAGA faithful are starting to doubt Trump's policies. Beyond that, there's another issue. Not just did consumer confidence decline, Wall Street expectations were for it to increase. The Consumer Confidence Index came in at an even 93. Economists were expecting an increase to 99.8. That's going to shake some markets a bit. The markets run on estimates, and when data misses expectations, it makes people nervous because they feel like they're not seeing something in the economy. In this case, not just did it miss expectations, it went the wrong way. Business leaders are going to be worried they're missing a major economic component. Stephanie Gashard, senior economist, Global Indicators at the Conference Board, said, quote, "The decline was broad-based across components, with consumers' assessments of the present situation and their expectations for the future both contributing to the deterioration. Consumers were less positive about current business conditions than May. Their appraisal of current job availability weakened for the sixth consecutive month, but remained in positive territory, in line with the still solid labor market. The three components of the Expectations Index, business conditions, employment prospects, and future income, all weakened." And that last line is yet another bad sign for the economy. The Expectations Index is how consumers feel about the future. It's a strong predictor because how consumers feel dictates how they behave and how much money they spend. Last month, the Expectations Index went up a bit, but now it has fallen 4.6 points to 69.0. Reminder that anything below 80 is considered a leading indicator of a recession. We haven't been above 80 since Trump took office. Trump has launched another barrage of insults against Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve, trying to pressure him on interest rates. It's poor data like this that keeps the Fed locked into wait-and-see mode. Trump's tariffs, constant uncertainty, and bizarre spending keep the U.S. on the verge of stagflation. Until that changes, the Federal Reserve is probably going to try to keep all of its tools at the ready and not rock the economic boat. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development said it expects U.S. inflation to reach 4% by the end of the year. It's worth noting that in this week's CNN YouGov poll, only 37% of those surveyed think the economy is good, and 54% think the economy is getting worse, while only 28% think it's getting better. None of these are indications that we will be moving away from the stagflation threat anytime soon. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.